Okay guys, so this is a hack. Normally what I do is I'll use, when I'm trying to create the ball cap before I put my wig on, I will use a stocking cap. But I saw this and I was like, I'm gonna give it a try. So I went to Walmart and I got some pantyhose. And I'm actually gonna do the sheer one. So the purpose of this ball cap is so when you put your wig on and you part it, it looks like your scalp. So what I did was I took the pantyhose out and I basically cut a leg off. So I'll show you on this one. So you're gonna take your scissors and we're gonna cut the leg off like so. Okay, and so once you cut it off, you're just gonna take this piece and you're going to put it on your head. Now, I don't know what happens if your head's a little larger, but it should stretch to fit over your head. You're gonna cut your little slots out right here. Let me see if I can see what I'm doing. Stick it over your ears. And you're gonna do the same thing over here for this ear. And then you're just gonna spray around your hairline and then you're gonna cut it. So I have my assistant with me. This is McKinley. Y'all met her earlier. I look crazy, right? So take this, and Shaska's gonna show you. Shake it really good. And you're not just gonna spray me, okay? You're gonna focus right here on my hairline, all right? So I'm gonna show you first. Don't just go shh. You're gonna go like little dots, and then you're gonna push it back.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Y'all pray for me. Okay, go ahead.
Ready?
Oh. So guys, go ahead and subscribe now to our channel, and then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And you can leave any comments or questions below. So McKinley's just continued to spray around the hairline, and I'm just giving a good spray just so I can make sure it's on there really good. But she's a wonderful assistant. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit for a little bit and let it dry. I'm probably gonna go get my blow dryer and do it in front of my blow dryer just so I can get this to really sit and dry. So we'll see, because this is the sheer kind, so I should have a pretty good ball cap once this sucker dries. So we'll be right back. So now I'm just taking my blow dryer on a cool low setting, and I am just drying that gots to be spray. You can apply another layer if you like to, but it's not mandatory. So just on a cool low setting, please, not on high. Cutting it in the center and just trimming it around the hairline. Guys, also remember, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also hit that like button too. And turn on your notifications so you are notified when we drop our next video. And just keep trimming and trimming and trimming. You want to get as close to the hairline as possible. If you notice, like when I'm pulling up the pantyhose or the stocking cap, you would say, I'm pulling it away from my skin so that I don't cut my skin. And I'm getting as close as possible. So notice these scissors are beveled. And that's why I'm able to use that flat part and just kind of glide it over my forehead without scratching, nicking, or cutting my face. So you just want to continue to cut off all of that extra cap that didn't adhere to your skin. And since we use the shear, we don't have to really go back in and like spray down the parts that are lifting up. I just need to keep cutting and cutting and cutting until I get all of that extra cap off of my head. And if you notice in the back, I went ahead and I cut the foot part off. It lays flat, so you won't even feel it under the wig. And just remember, guys, that you can shop with us 24/7 at lavishlockshair.com. And follow us on all social media platforms at lavishlockshair. So just keep cutting, guys. That's pretty much it. Since you use the sheer pantyhose, you don't have to worry about it being too bumpy and lumpy. It's so thin that it lays completely flat. And those scissors you can get, I think I got them from Hobby Lobby or Joann's, and I'll put that in the description. So guys, that's it. Pretty much. See? 5 minutes or less. Bye. Keep watching. Bye.